Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to be playing a game called Heist, and I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of glitches that I found to be very useful. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to actually do is actually rob the bank. Okay, so here is actually the floor 1 key card, and this one gives you, I believe, diamond when you rob it. And I actually have my friend RJ right here. I almost forgot to introduce him, but basically he's going to help with the video, guys, and he actually is the one who figured out how to do the puzzles, so definitely grateful to him. So let's go ahead and get out of here, and then we'll go ahead and just get into our cars now. Okay, so the very first glitch, or the very first tip, is basically to plant your car right here when you're trying to exit floor 0. Okay, so when you're robbing this bank, this is an exit point right here, and instead of exiting from the door, you can actually exit from this area right here. All you have to do is press E right next to the wall, and this should allow you to get in your vehicle and you'll be safe. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and rob the bank. Now we're going to be robbing floor 1. So let's go ahead and rob this place. Let me go ahead and turn this on right here. All right, so let's get in, and all you have to do to rob this place is really simple. Press the middle button, then this one, then the corner, just basically the corners after the middle button. Okay, so that's what you do for the first two, so you're gonna do it for that one over there too. So let me zoom out, and then we can do this course right here. And jump over like that. Press another one right here, right here, and then another one. Jump through, and then we'll head over here, and then let's do this one. Okay, so this one is this corner, this, and then the middle bottom. Okay, so and then you have to turn all these green on, and then we can actually go through the vault here. Okay, and then for the vault, you just have to press it in an S shape, just like that, and we're done. Okay, now all we have to do now is just steal. Okay, so I got all my money, and so I placed a tank over there. So right here, all we have to do is press E and get back into this car. And so we're safe now. And see, there's a guy hanging out right there trying to get us. And so let's go ahead and get out of here. So you guys see how useful that can be in terms of someone just trying to kill you once you're trying to exit the buildings. So for the two spots that you can actually place the car, is actually one right here, or you can actually place one on top of this area. Okay, so now for this one, I think you only could get the tank onto it. I haven't tried other cars, but I've only gotten the tank ever onto that small roof area right here. So we can place it right here like this, and as long as you're close enough to the wall right here, when you get out and you're at the puzzle, just look for your car and you'll find it right here. Okay, and then another area would be, okay, so you see how my friend killed that guy and he just took his money. So this is why this is important. You place your car in a very good location so that you can exit and then just run. Okay, at least you'll get some time and some protection. Okay, and then you can also place the car right here. Okay, so this is where I exited earlier, and so my friend is killing that guy. Okay, so my friend killed that guy that was coming out, and you see that his loot, you know, he has a lot of loot right here, and this is why it's important to basically use your car as a vehicle getaway. So another way to use this glitch is very simple. All you have to do is place the car behind this back door. Okay, so most of the houses have the bank, and then it has this back door, and it's normally next to the back door, and all you have to do is go in, basically shoot, rob the bank, and then once you're done, same thing, press E once you're out. So once you see someone, you can actually just press the E button and get out of there and stay safe as possible. Okay, so the very last glitch that I want to show you guys is a very simple glitch. It's actually a gun glitch. Okay, and what this is going to allow you to do is protect your base much better, especially if people are far away from you and they're just heading your way, and you know they're going to try to rob you. And here's how you do it. All you have to do is actually have one of two weapons. Okay, you can either have a L96A1, which is a sniper, and then the other sniper, which is the M200. Now the M200 is shorter range, but the L9 is actually really long. I mean, really far, so you can actually zoom in much more, right? So here's someone's garage right there. Well, actually, there's their vent right there. Okay, all you have to do is basically switch weapons and do not let go of your scope. Okay, this will allow you to basically shoot from a very far distance. So let me go ahead and turn that down right there. You see how I can see much more, and I can shoot from like such a far distance right here. But basically it lets you zoom in and see the enemy, right? So let's switch to the 44 right here. See, so I can definitely break it and I can see everything happening, right? So this is something really useful. You don't always have to wait for your ammo, I mean your sniper ammo to reload and stuff. So you can switch over to a different weapon and just keep on holding the scope, and you can kill people here. Okay, so let me zoom over here, see if anyone is here. But basically, that's it for the video, guys. And I hope this helped you guys in any kind of way. And always have a good one, guys. Bye. Purple.